Hello again. It was a good day to stay indoors. Grey and gloomy clouds over Sydney today. A stark contrast to yesterday's clear blue skies. Those cloudy conditions hanging around all day, delivering some showers. The heaviest rain falling last night as that cool southerly change swept in. But since 9 a.m, Hornsby has received the most with 12 millimetres, 10 for Terry Hills and nothing recorded in the city. Some moderate to fresh southerlies blowing in, strong at times with the highest gust recorded in Kurnell, reaching 65 kilometres per hour. Top temperatures today up to 9 degrees below the January average in our west, most suburbs stopping at 22. The city a little warmer, reaching 23, but felt a few degrees cooler thanks to those gusty southerlies. Across the state, some severe thunderstorms have been developing over western parts. This is the current warning in place. Heavy rainfall, damaging winds and large hail possible across those regions. Glen Elgin on the northern tablelands receiving 37 millimetres in just 30 minutes. And we can expect more of that tomorrow. A high pressure ridge continuing to funnel humid winds into an unstable air mass, triggering rain and some intense storms over New South Wales and southern Queensland. A fine day for Brisbane though, hitting 29. Canberra 23 and partly cloudy. Melbourne the place to be. A beautiful sunny day ahead, reaching a top of 30. Back home to New South Wales, and we're expecting widespread rain about the lower Hunter and southern half of the mid-north coast with moderate to heavy falls. Dry and mostly sunny in the far west and southern inland, and top temperatures remaining below average, particularly along southern and central parts of the coast and ranges. Sydney will be much like today. Moderate to fresh southerlies, cloudy and a high chance of showers. 3 to 30 millimetres forecast for the city and 0 to 10 in our west. Top slightly warmer than today, up to 24 in Richmond and Penrith. The city also heading for 24. Overnight lows around 16 to 20. Those showers hanging around for the next week, but hopefully we'll get some sunny spells on Thursday with partly cloudy skies, warming up to 27 in the city on Friday. A cloudy start to the weekend with a shower or two and a top of 27, 29 and just a possible shower on Sunday. A wet week ahead for our west as well, up to 20 millimetres on Friday and more showers over the weekend, reaching 31 on Sunday. A possible storm on Monday as temperatures heat up again, but our sunny days are gone for now, Georgie.
Hello again. We've had some perfect holiday weather today with plenty of sunshine around. The city warmed up to 25 degrees and that came after an overnight low of 15. Unlike yesterday, all of these maximums were recorded this afternoon and quite a few spots got to 25 or 26. Epping reached 27 and it was a little cooler either side of the bay, 23 at Rosebud and 23 at Geelong. Further out, coastal areas stayed in the low to mid-20s. Inland parts warmed up a little more, 28 degrees at Bendigo, 29 at Horsham, and quite a few spots along the Murray made it to the 30s. Now, this trough and cold front have continued moving away from us today. They did leave behind a couple of showers through East Gippsland, but tomorrow is looking dry across the board and we'll really notice the effects of this high pressure system. It's extending a ridge over the state and that will stay in place until Friday. And that system is keeping Hobart warm as well, 24 degrees tomorrow, 24 in Sydney too, but still very wet, up to 30 millimetres in showers. A possible shower in Brisbane, 29 degrees, and Perth is also heading for 29, but mostly sunny. Temperatures are set to be above average in Victoria tomorrow. Plenty of spots in the state's north and west are heading for the 30s, up to 33 at Horsham and Swan Hill, 35 degrees at Mildura. Cooler through Gippsland though, it's heading for the low 20s there. And looking at our suburbs, most spots are heading for either 29, 30 or 31. Ferny Creek is the odd one out, a lower maximum forecast of 26. And a sunny day is on the way for Geelong. After a low of 14, it's set to reach 28. And tomorrow looks like a gorgeous day in the city, sunny and 30 degrees. Up to 31 on Thursday, a sunny morning with a chance of a thunderstorm for the early afternoon. Friday could reach 30 degrees, mostly sunny, staying pretty warm overnight into Saturday. And then daytime hours on Saturday will be hotter again, a top of 35 degrees. There is a slight chance of a shower in the afternoon, but showers are more likely on Sunday, up to 7 millimetres forecast, along with a high of 27, and then 29 degrees for both Monday and Tuesday. But tomorrow really does look like the peak of the week. After a low of 14, the day will start off sunny and it will stay that way. Winds turning southeasterly in the afternoon, 30 degrees, so it's a bit too nice to be at work, I think, Brett.
Oh, we certainly are, Jono. It's in the forecast over the next few days. Some showers overnight, showers and some storms possible tomorrow afternoon, but certainly Friday and some wet weather into your weekend. But what a magic start to today for Magic Millions. It was picture perfect this morning. I was actually out in the surf here at Surfers Paradise and it was not just the horses I was watching. Have a look at these pictures we caught on our 9 chopper. Firstly, a pod of dolphins feeding just off the coast and one lone leopard shark. Yes, I said a leopard shark here at Surfers Paradise. They do do like the warm waters. They do swim as far south as northern New South Wales, and they will head north again once we get into the cooler months, but posing no threat here in Surfers Paradise Beach. What a day it was. Let's have a look at temperatures over southeast Queensland, and a little warmer than average across most of the suburbs. The overnight low, though, 12 degrees in Kingaroy. The top, 32. Ipswich, Beaudesert, Logan and Greenbank. 30 in Brisbane, Caboolture and on the Sunshine Coast. 29 for Redcliffe and Coolangatta. 28 on the Goldie and 27 in Toowoomba. The weather map, southerly winds delivering showers to Victoria, rain and thunderstorms for New South Wales and later into southeast Queensland. For the capitals, sunny and warm in Perth, Adelaide, Melbourne and Hobart. Cloudy in Canberra, showers for Sydney, 40 degrees for Alice Springs. Queensland, a shower and a possible storm up in Cairns, partly cloudy Townsville. Mostly sunny, low 30s in Mackay, Rocky, Gladstone, Bundaberg and Maryborough. Hot inland, we're looking at low 40s for Mount Isa and Longreach. Chance of late storms in the central west and Maranoa. Southeast Queensland, a partly cloudy day. A few showers, possible storms developing inland. Light winds overnight, temperatures 17 to 21 overnight with daytime temperatures high 20 on the coast and around 30 inland. Moreton Bay, east-northeast to 10 knots, looking good tomorrow, boaties. While Brisbane, partly cloudy, chance of a shower tomorrow. Top of 29 degrees. Then the outlook, a few showers Thursday and a possible storm. Showers increasing Friday and continuing into the weekend. A shower or two for Monday and a high of 29. Ipswich, scattered showers Thursday, Friday and Saturday. A few showers Sunday. Possible showers Monday. For the Gold Coast, scattered showers and possible storms Thursday, Friday, cloudy and a little wet on Saturday for the Magic Millions. Showers and possible storms across Sunday and Monday. Sunshine Coast, showers developing Thursday. Showers and storms are possible Friday, Saturday, Sunday and even into Monday. Daytime temperatures, though, despite the rainfall, will still be slightly up on average. Expect just a little bit of late rain overnight, early hours of the morning with those storms weakening. Jono.
The summer sun made a return across the state today and it's going to shine even warmer tomorrow. That forecast soon. Today, a sunny top of 28 degrees in Adelaide. Overnight, it was down to 13 degrees just before 6 this morning. Right now, hovering around 25. Across the suburbs, 28 degrees in the northern suburbs and Glenelg, Noarlunga with 26. Now, let's take a look at our northern and the west of our state. Ceduna, 28. 24 in Port Lincoln. Port Augusta, 31. 28 for the Clare Valley. Most of our southern centres today hovered in the 20s, Renmark 30, Kingscote 24 and just 21 degrees on Hindmarsh Island, 29 at Keith. For interstate travellers tomorrow, up in the Territory, you can expect a possible storm and 33 degrees, possible rain in Brisbane, 29 the max, showers and 24 in Sydney, partly cloudy in Hobart. Back in South Australia tomorrow, a good day to stay underground in Coober Pedy, 39 degrees there. A little bit cooler towards the coast, Whyalla heading for 33. The heat will follow through into the south tomorrow, 33 degrees on York Peninsula. Very similar weather over at the Barossa and 34 for Naracoorte. Let's take a look at metro waters. Variable winds turning southwesterly, 10 to 15 knots, seas below 1 metre. Let's take a look at the forecast for tomorrow in our suburbs. 33 degrees in Golden Grove, slightly cooler down at Glenelg, 30 degrees there, and a partly cloudy 32 in Marion. In the city for your Wednesday, you can expect a mostly sunny day, 32, dropping down to 14 degrees tonight. For the rest of the week, as you can see, really warming up, 33 on Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and then easing off just a bit Monday and Tuesday.